How to generate image in Google Gemini AI. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is navigate to the Gemini AI in Google by simply typing down the Gemini AI in the search address bar and hit enter. And if you have not signed in or signed up to your Gemini AI account, then make sure that you do it. Now, in the chat box available there, simply type down in detail about what kind of image you want. So here I'm typing down generate the image of a red car. Simply I'm being specific as I need a red car. Or else you can also type down like create an image of futuristic Tokyo skyline at night with flying cars and neon lights as well. But I'm just being simple and specific in this one. So once you type that, it will take a few moments to generate an image, and here you go. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.